Jeremy Jaws and Crackles apparently just switched places in the 2026 Spirit Halloween ISE Camp Harbor Lake. Let's talk about it. Alright, so as y'all can see, Jeremy Jaws, he is in the cabin. I don't know why the color of the screen is like that, but as you can see, he is in the cabin. But for some reason, a couple more days came, and a couple more days came around, and now he is right over here in this area with Carnival Creeper, but I always say Bog Monster's Buzz for some reason, but Bog Monster, Screaming Reaper, and Doomsday Duo. Now, for some reason, I have no idea what happened because we do not have any information on where Crackles will be, but yeah.